Hey guys, I'm Courtney Jackson.
And I'm Ryan Cecil with Homepage Realty.
And we're here today at 2504 Bagby Way.
This adorable home is located in the heart of PRP, and we are so excited to share it with you.
Yep, we're located here right off of Lower Hunters Road. This house has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths.
And a gorgeous backyard. All right, guys, we can't wait to show it to you. Let's take you inside.
Guys, the floors have been redone in this home. There's new paint throughout. It's nice and open living room into your eat-in kitchen here. The cabinets have been painted. All the appliances are new. And let's take a look down here in the refinished bathroom. Yep. Come on back, guys.
Towel shower.
Yep, new towel, new vanity.
First bedroom, and then we are walking back
Primary.
into the primary. Nice fresh paint throughout this whole house, guys. You can just move right on in. Who is ready? I am. Adorable. All of these appliances are staying as well. All right, guys, we are coming downstairs now, and we found a friend.
They are still getting a little bit ready down here.
We have pictures this afternoon.
And this room would be perfect for a man cave or entertaining.
Adorable little basement.
Yes, it also has a full bathroom, which is very hard to find in these PRP homes. It has a full bathroom with a shower here.
All right, guys, so full bathroom. Adorable. The booze do not come with the house. And then we have some friends in here. Adorable, adorable bedroom downstairs. So even though this is listed as 3 bedrooms, guys, it is technically 4.
No, it's not.
Hello,
technically.
Skylar.
You can count it as 4.
You can count it as 4.
But it's not technically 4.
So this, behind these closed doors, is the laundry room, which you don't really care about, so I'm not gonna show it to you. And we go on. All right, guys, check out your prime entertainment spot here. We have a hot tub, a pool, a big old 4-car garage. 4. Dog's not included. But you guys, seriously, adorable.
3 sheds, one here, one on the side here of the garage with electric for your lawnmower, all that, looking nice. And there's one actually behind this garage, this 4-car garage. You got 1, 2 here, and then on the other side of this garage, it's like as big as a home. You can have some of it. Crazy. 3, 4.
You can always put your mother-in-law in there.
Your mother-in-law.
No, not mine. I love mine. Y'all, look at this yard. It is massive. You could have a garden. You could have a trampoline. You got a pool. I mean, come on, guys.
Perfect for next year.
Prime real estate right here. All right, y'all. So that's what we got. We are Ryan and Courtney with
Homepage Realty.
and we would love to sell you this house. So
Come
if
on
you
in.
are interested, come check us out. Give us a call, give us an email, shoot us a DM on the gram.
502-609-1726.
502-644-7864.
Call us.